Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with ISKCON special recipe. Prabhupada has always been merciful by distributing prasad. Today we will make Prabhupada cookies. These cookies were first made by Srila Prabhupada's disciple, who shared this phenomenal recipe. These cookies were given by Srila Prabhupada to his disciples and their children. Thus, they came to be known as Prabhupada's cookies. After the cookies were made, Prabhupada offered it to the deities and personally distributed them amongst the devotees. These cookies were legitimate prasadam or food that has been purified by being offered to the Lord. So let's begin. Here I have taken 200 grams of unsalted butter, which was at room temperature. Let's add 2 cups of white flour or all-purpose flour. Now add 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. Let's mix all this well with hand. We will be making a dough. These cookies are so simple as we need only 3 ingredients and this bake quickly. I have listed down the ingredients in the description box below. You can refer it. You can see our dough is ready. I am giving it a final knead now. We are going to add no milk or any flavoring in this. You can see its texture. Now let's make medium-sized balls. These cookies are best for prasad distribution, for kids or any other program and all. Similarly, I will make all the balls. I have made all the balls. Here I have taken a tray. Let's grease it with ghee or butter. We can bake this in cooker too. I have given the procedure in the saffron cookie video. I have shared the link in the description box also. Now take a ball, press it gently against your finger. Maintain medium thickness of the cookies. Now let's shape another. and place them away from the other cookies. Similarly, let's shape all. All our cookies are ready to bake. Here I have preheated the oven for 5 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Now bake the cookies at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the edges have darkened, so let's take them out. Similarly, I have baked the second batch of cookies too. We will let it cool for 15 minutes, then take them out of the tray. As they are very soft now, they might break while removing. After 15 minutes, let's take them out. You can see how easily they have come out. They are perfectly baked and cool. You can see here I have tried to take it out without cooling and it has broken. But you can see the texture from in. They are perfect. All the cookies are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Krishna. Prabhupada cookies are offered and ready. Jai Srila Prabhupada. For more recipes, search for Krishna's Cuisine in YouTube and scroll down for all. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and